I think there's a line, as a pastor, and I try to tread this line of being needlessly controversial and saying things just for shock value. I don't want to be a shock jock pastor. Between that and being willing to wade into choppy waters for the benefit of your church. I don't get my jollies out of taking up huge controversial statements and talking about transgenderism and homosexuality and abortion every few weeks, which I do actually. But you know what the motivation has to be when you do those things? Verse 20 says, I have to ask the question, what is profitable to my church? What answers do you need despite the comfort of the situation? What is the culture beating you up? And let's just be honest and say, beating this section up with most of our younger folks in it. What is the world beating them up over that they need to hear me say with a strong voice? And if the answer is any of those things I mentioned, then I have to speak to it. I have to help them. That's the motivation for Paul. And it should be for every pastor, every church, every parent, that I'm not going to hold back. If there's something that I could say that would help you, I'm going to say it because my goal is to help you. Whatever is profitable, I'm going to give to you. If someone needs something addressed in their walk with the Lord, at Kirby Woods, we need to say, we will speak to anything that will be profitable for your walk with the Lord. If it makes me uncomfortable, that's immaterial to the situation. If it's going to help you, we will go there. So that's what Paul says. I did not shrink back from declaring anything to you that was profitable for you.